G'day and welcome back to the 40 channel. So today we're out here at Lightning Ridge, but this video is all about the cruiser, the Troopy back at home. We're getting ready for long drive for a drought. Serious issues with the crankshaft and the keyway that we're going to need to fix up, and we could be in a bit of trouble. Anyway, we'll see how we get on with it. More like a thick, lunky soup than water. Anyway, we're really going to need a new one of these because got a few holes and it's a bit brittle. The little pump's a bit corroded, but you never know, might be able to patch it up and get a new pump. See how we go. The radiator is showing some signs of corrosion and a little bit of leaking, so it seems to be just at the top here, it's weak out of here. And the other thing is, just here, it's really started to corrode away all the fins inside the radiator. So we'll have to replace it with that. Right, we're going to get all new belts, all new hoses, and we're going to keep all of them for spares for the trip, just in case. Righto, so now we've pulled all the radiator and stuff off, we've found another issue, and hopefully it's not going to go too much deeper than this. So our main pulley down here, look at the slop in that. Yep, that's a bit concerning. We're going to pull it off and we'll have a look, and hopefully it's all fixable. It looks like the keyway's flogged out. Just need to get it off. Right, the keyway in the actual pulley looks in good nick. There's nothing worn out there. Righto, now we're at a major concern because the keyway on the actual shaft is worn out. You see it's actually worn completely down here on a taper. Yeah, so that puts us in a pretty bad position as far as what's supposed to happen here, especially for what we want to put this car through. So a couple options are, we put a few little welds along the shaft there and die grind it out, make it as best as we can. Anyway, in the meantime we'll pull the fan off, we'll pull that lip seal out, and then we'll work out what to do next. 12mm spanner, 4 bolts. Fan can come off. Pull that pulley off. Righto, now we've got full access to that shaft. We'll pull that lip seal out with a lip seal. So all we're going to do is drill 2 holes, very small holes, 1.5mm, 2mm drill bit, no bigger, opposite sides of that lip seal. Then we're just going to screw in some simple little wood screws, a very simple slide hammer with vice grips, and we'll knock it straight out. Simple as that. Righto, that's it. Now it doesn't get any easier than that to remove a lip seal. Now if you don't own a slide hammer, it could be as easy as just putting your wood screws in, screwing them all the way in, and that'll actually jack out the lip seal, and you've removed it just as easily. Jack's just going to take off that little timing cover there so we can get access to the crankshaft damaged keyway. Right, it's a bit of a hectic weekend because it's a beautiful sunny weekend, so we've just been going nuts on the Troopy. One of the things we need to do is that keyway shaft. So we've got a beautiful day to do it. Jack's outside right now ripping the cover off, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a copper key, and we're going to put that key into the keyway, clean it all up, weld it up, pull that out, and hopefully we'll have success. So we'll see how we go. There's our little copper key. Let's go see if our idea works. Clean the shaft up best we can with some wax and grease remover. Right, we've just covered up all the gears there. We're just going to clean that out with a small little die grinder. Righto, our little copper key. We'll just sit it in that damaged keyway there. Clamp it on top. Righto, so Jack's just preheating that shaft. It's not going to be a cold weld straight onto it. It's not going to put a huge amount of heat into it, but just so it's not freezing cold. Righto, so we're going to put some anti-splatter spray on it. That way we don't have to worry about anything getting too damaged in here. This is non-flammable. Righto, we'll let that cool down very slowly and we'll see how we go. There we go. So a little bit of a knock and it came straight out. Right, I'm going to use this grinding pad here. It's got like a Scotch-Brite sort of pad on it all around it, so it'll make it won't be too aggressive. We can smooth it out. We're only going to work in the area that the weld is. We don't want to touch any of the other part of the shaft at all. Full keyway, all repaired. It's all solid metal. We haven't gone and used some type of fill-in gap filler or something. We could have welded a little bit in here, but it's not going to matter. That's sensational. I'm super happy with that. Be able to put the test fit the pulley. Got our new key. Perfect fit now. And we have full support around it. Righto, let's just test fit this pulley. It's nice and firm. That's good. Righto, well, success. That is absolutely fantastic. I'm over the moon with that. It's stoked. So I went from something that was potentially a game changer in knowing what I was going to do, and yeah, had a bit of a panic when I first saw it, thought about it, and fairly simple solution really. So now that's all solid metal. We haven't filled it with any type of goo or anything like that. We'll put it all back together and we're good to go. Righto, that's it. So we've done pretty well. I'm really happy with the results. I think we're going to be okay, Jack. I think we'll make it the odd 5,000 Ks. What do you reckon? Hopefully, otherwise you'll be pushing. Anyway, feel free to leave a comment. Make sure you subscribe, and until next time,
thanks for watching.